Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are working with the vowel team IGH. Remember, a vowel team is 2 or 3 letters, and the vowel says its name. Our first word that we're going to trace is the word knight. Like a knight in shining armor. We have a silent K that we can't hear. I G H T, knight. You're going to write knight again in your best handwriting. Don't forget that silent K at the beginning. Our vowel team, I, G, H, and our final sound, T, night. Then we're going to put it into the word boxes, or sound boxes. Silent K, vowel team, I, G, H, T, night. Our next word is bright. B-R-I-T, bright. Let's trace bright. B-R-I-T, bright. Then you'll write bright by yourself in your best handwriting. B-R-I-T. Then we'll put it into sound boxes. B-R-I-G-H says I. T, bright. You'll finish this page. Our next word is sight. Then we have night. Then we have the word high. See how high the hot air balloons are going into the sky. And then the arrow is pointing at the girl's thigh. So please trace, write, and then put the words into the sound boxes. You're going to do great. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are going to be doing some sentence writing using words from the other side of our paper. There are 6 words on the other side of our paper, and we are going to write 5 sentences. So we're not using every single word. I'm just going to start at the top with the word knight, like a knight in shining armor. So I need to put knight into a complete sentence. My sentence is going to be, I saw a knight at the castle. So we need a capital I, finger space, saw, finger space, a knight. And we need that silent K. I-G-H says I. T. I saw a knight at the castle. And don't forget that ending punctuation to end your sentence. Now, boys and girls, you can either use my sentence or think of your own. It is up to you. Please pause the video if you need time to catch up. The next word I'm going to use for sentence number 2 is bright. My sentence is going to be, the sun is so bright in the summer. The sun is so bright in the summer. So I need a capital T at the beginning of my sentence. The finger space, sun is so bright in the summer. And I know I'm going a little fast. You can pause the video to catch up. You can either use my sentence with the word bright in it, or you can think of your very own sentence. Please pause the video if you need more time. Okay, boys and girls, for sentences 3, 4, and 5, you are going to be on your own. You have 3 sentences to write and 4 words to choose from. You can do the word sight, night, high, or thigh. And the words are on the other side of our paper if you need to look back so you can remember how to spell them. You're going to do great. I believe in you. When you're done, turn it into the top basket and move on to Lexia.